Hello and welcome to today's financial news, brought to you by Forex, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
Tesla stock rose by 2.6% to close at $468.37 on Monday, supported by increased trading volume and continued momentum within a short-term rising trend. The French stock market index fell to 8,110 euros, its lowest in a month, as markets paused after a busy week of earnings, policy moves, and a US-China trade truce. Gold prices dropped below $4,000 per ounce on Tuesday, weighed down by fading expectations of further US rate cuts. The Swiss franc rose to around 0.81 per USD, amid a firm dollar and rising expectations of rate cuts by the Swiss National Bank. Ether fell to around $3,500 this Tuesday, following an 8% decline on Monday, driven by renewed concerns over network security and broader market weakness. Now let's take a look at today's key economic events. At 12 p.m., Brazil's industrial production is expected to decline, after posting a 0.8% increase in August. At 9:30 p.m., the United States will publish crude oil inventory data for October 31st, following a 4 million barrel deficit in the previous week. Turning to tomorrow's highlights. At 3 p.m., the U.S. will release the October Services PMI, after recording a reading of 50 in September. At 9:30 p.m., Brazil is set to announce its November interest rate, following a 15% benchmark in October.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Forex. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.